Hello, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and this is another flea market finds video. So right off the bat, first item up, I found this. Oh, it's going to be a triple this time. I went to 3 flea markets this weekend. So the first flea market, I found this. It's a saw set. I have a couple. This one is for it has a pretty big hammer in it, so it's for a fairly large saw, at least a big hand saw. $3. Why not? I don't need it, but sometimes you have to just get the things that are fun. At the same flea market, I picked up, you may remember from the last video, I had some Yankee drills. So now that I bought a couple of Yankee drills, they fall out of the sky. Here's another Yankee drill. This one has no bits. I paid $2 for it. It's in pretty nice shape other than that. And since we're buying Yankee drills, and since I don't need Yankee drills, there's another one. Except this is a Craftsman, and I think I paid $1 for it. And it's a little different. Let's see if I can get it to focus on the tip. Let's see. Will it focus? Am I focused? So the tip is like a pin vise. It doesn't have the ball and socket like the Stanleys do. And then the device for holding the bits, you push this little button down and turn it. Let me pull it down with this thumb. And spin it, and you spin it around at the position you want. Whereas with the Yankees, it opens up like that. So it's a little bit different, but otherwise basically the same tool. Now I have way more than I need. But since we're doing Yankee stuff, a Yankee screwdriver. So kind of a similar mechanism, except this one ratchets, so it'll go in, in or out. Only has a regular bit. I think I paid, I don't remember, $1 or $2 for that. Just to have. Don't need it. And a couple of files. Well, actually, a big heavy rasp, and then one of these curved files. These feels like it has some sharpness on its edge. So we're going to see if that'll work on my next maybe handle making project. Okay. Oh, and the last thing from that sale, a big old jack plane. Tilt the angle up here a little bit. This is a Buck Brothers. It's got a crack here in the handle and down here, so I'm going to have to glue that up. I took the blade out yesterday. The blade looks pretty good. Overall, it's in pretty nice condition. I think I can get that cleaned up, make a nice plane out of it, make a user. With that, give you guys a wild guess what that is. I'm going to back the camera up. Whoop, all over the place with the camera. There we go, get the whole thing on there. It's got an eye bolt on one end. It's got a screw through that end. It is laminated. Can you guess what it is? Let me open it up. Oh. Awkward. There it goes. You get a good look at it. We'll keep it kind of close. Have you guessed yet? I don't know what it's made out of. It's pretty light wood. It has the same color as that. I paid $3 for this. I'll go ahead and tell you what I think it is. It's a giant bevel gauge. It's not a sliding bevel gauge, but it is a giant bevel gauge. Be probably used by someone to make, furniture or something fairly large. $3. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. Don't really need it. But the guy was motivated. Motivated seller. You got to like that. Then I went to a large flea market, big city flea market, and I didn't find much. I found these old safety wire pliers. $10. I don't know if that's a good price or not. They look pretty nice. They seems to be well made. Went with that. So that was it for that day. Looking around, did I forget anything? I don't think so. Then today, I went to the local flea market, and I got a plane I absolutely do not need, a Stanley number 4. But this is one of the cleanest number 4s I've ever seen at a flea market, and it was only $15. Now, at the same flea market, they did have a Craftsman plane, which I didn't pick up. Who knows? It's still there next week. It was another number 4. The Craftsmans are different than like the Stanley Handymans. I think it's a little better plane than a Handyman from the look of it, but not much. Not as good as a Stanley. This one's pretty clean, so I'm pretty happy with it. All right, well, anyway, that's June 5th. Today the 5th? I don't know, Sunday. That is my flea market finds. Let me know in the comments if you think I got a good deal or if I got taken. Like I said, the most expensive was the big jack plane The big jack plane was $20. The number 4 was $15. I think that's a good price for a really clean number 4. You guys have a good weekend. We'll catch you later.